Hello, so this is a demonstration of a feature soon to be found in Laidout version 0.91, all about signatures. So this is the dialog that you're greeted with when you first start up Laidout, and it gives you an option to select various things, a cube, dodecahedron, everyone needs those, booklets, blah blah blah. So what we really want is a new signature. So go down and select that, and here's your signature editor. You have a blank piece of paper. What can you do with this blank piece of paper, you might ask? Well, you can chop off part of it before you do anything else, and you can chop it into smaller sections. So let's keep it a little bit simpler. Let's just chop it into 4 different sections like this, and you can specify that there be a gap in between. For each signature that you have, you can specify how many sheets you want. You can have everything in a single signature and just add pieces of paper to cope, or you can specify a particular number of sheets per signature. Let's keep it at 1 for now. So let's zoom in on one of these signatures. You can specify how many folds you want. You can have any number of folds. If you have folds like that, you can fold 3 or 2 at a time or 1 at a time, anything you want. Up, down. Folds like this are over, and you can also fold underneath too. Underneath folds look like that. Let's keep it, let's go back to a simpler one. Let's do a 3-fold imposition like this. So you can fold down like this. Let's fold it like an accordion, so the other fold will be back behind, then fold it across like that. This green bar specifies where the binding is, so, and you can change if it's bound on the top, right, left, whatever. The top page that you're looking at is always page number 0. The next page is page 1, etc., etc. So if you bind it here, it's like a Japanese book. You flip pages in the opposite way as the Western books, or that's a calendar, for instance. You can also specify the default margin bounds, and if you, after you fold, you might want to trim, so you can specify how much you want to trim off the pages, and then Laidout figures out for you what the pages actually look like at the end. And that's pretty much it for this. This feature has been about a month away for the last 4 months, and hopefully it will not be much longer before I actually release this in a semi-usable state. Anyway, thank you for listening to this Laidout tutorial.